name is Jessica Patterson. I'll be earning my bachelor's degree in deaf studies with a minor in interpreting.
Jessica Marie Patterson has been leading and problem-solving since her first day at Nevada State. Determined to become an American Sign Language interpreter, she has worked diligently to provide supportive space to use ASL for new students, led an active Voices Off, Voices On club, and has volunteered at many deaf events both at school and in the community.
I'm a first generation and also a non-traditional student, so I'm the older person in the classrooms with people that are my children's age, so that was a little intimidating. Everything is online. It was during COVID, so that was something completely new, and when we had the access to the classrooms, they used them and used them safely, so I really appreciated that. And once now that we're pretty much out of it and back to full-time hybrid, I really appreciate the fact that they have a very flexible schedule for those of us who can or cannot come to campus.
Jessica leads with confidence and a strong sense of equity and justice, values that will serve her well in her chosen field. She's on track to receive her national certification and use her skills to help others.
David and Janice, who are two of our ASL professors here, their knowledge of the culture and support for me as an interpreter, because they understand the need as deaf people in the community, how important it is to get interpreters out there and train them properly. That was a really huge support for me from that community that I will now be supporting. And then once I decided to go back full time, my family, especially my husband, his support was unsurmountable. He took our family and held everything. He would show up to things with me and for me. My mom and dad, they were there for my daughter when I couldn't be, and they were there for my husband when I couldn't be, and just my whole family was very, very supportive. The most important thing was for me to show my daughter that, A, you can do it no matter what, and you can do it in any environment, because she was, new to COVID. Her first freshman year was online for high school, so I wanted her to see that it does take really hard work and dedication, and she saw me studying a lot and practicing my craft and doing what I needed to do. It was important for me to show her that, education is very important and it can lead you in different directions, as I'm taking a completely new career change with this education.